guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Today you guys, I will be making something out of the BlendJet 2 Next Gen Blending Recipe Book. Now, if you haven't seen any of my videos of basically a lot of what's in here, you can check out some of the videos I have up in the cards of some videos I have that are in this book. It just has a lot of recipes in it, as far as like smoothies, as far as protein shakes and things like that. But today, you guys, I will be making, let me get to it first. Today I'm going to be making hummus. Hummus. How many of you like hummus? I'm going to be making this because I do want to use it, like putting it on like my potato, or just, you know, dipping my vegetables in it or whatever. It's so many uses you can have. You can dip your chips in it, whatever you want to do with hummus. But I decided to make it today, and I'm going to be using this recipe from BlendJet. As you see, very simple, easy ingredients to make. And there's the directions there. But yeah, I'm going to be using this to make that, and this is my first time, and why not take you guys along with me so that you can see how it turns out and if I like it. So without further ado, let's get to making hummus. Okay, you guys, so these are all of the ingredients that I will be using. Of course, to start off, I will be blending it with my BlendJet 2. And I also want to say, you guys, sorry about my voice. I was feeling a little under the weather yesterday and some today, but I'm trying to get my voice together. I've been taking my vitamins and everything, drinking my water and orange juice or whatever, but just pray for your sister, okay? But anyway, you guys, I'm going to start off by using the BlendJet, of course. I have never tried this before, but I've heard so much good things about this. Tahini is just sesame seeds. And then you have your garbanzo beans, aka chickpeas. The recipe says to use clove garlic, but as I was in the grocery store, I did not see any, so I picked up the minced garlic. That should work, still work. 2 lemons. You want 2 juice of a lemon and some salt. And I have my container that I'm going to be putting the hummus in. So let's get to making the hummus. Okay, so to start off, I will need also, which I didn't mention earlier, I will need 1/4 cup of water. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to cut both of these lemons and put the juice of both of them in there. So cut those in half. Okay. I don't have a lemon squeezer thingy. I need to get one. Next, I'm going to use 1/2 cup of tahini. Shake it up real good. And this is the squeeze kind. So pour that in there. Alright, so next the recipe says to use 1 clove of garlic, but like I said, I don't have any, so I'm going to just use some of my minced garlic, and I'm just going to take a teaspoon of it and put it in there. Alright, next is to use 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which I don't have 1/4, so I'm just going to put a little in there. And the last ingredient that I'm going to add to the blender is my garbanzo beans, like I said, aka chickpeas, and I will be using my Cuisinart to open my can. Alright, as you see, it does hold it. I like this can opener. I'm going to pour this juice off of it and do 1 cup of chickpeas. Okay, now that I have drained them and rinsed them off, like I said, I'm going to add 1 cup of this to my blender. Try to do it without making a mess. Now that we have all the ingredients in, we're gonna go ahead and blend it up. And of course, the good stuff. Alright, now that that has blended, I'm just going to pour it onto my plate that I just added some small carrots to. And let's see how it turned out. I'm not going to pour all of it on there. Pour some back in the container. Okay, still got a couple of chunks that didn't blend too well, but we'll go around that. And let's give it a taste. Not bad. It tastes like hummus. If you ever eaten hummus, it tastes like hummus. I just need some chips to go with it. I don't have any chips with me. But all in all, you guys, it was good. It's really good. Alright, you guys, that's it. I just made hummus for the first time, and it was so simple to make. Anyway, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, or if you would like to see more videos like this, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.